Hello everyone, Gus Torres with Team Unified, and today I want to go over some prospecting tips that I have put here to be able to go over with you. These are some of the things that I did when I first started in sales. One of the things that you want to be thinking about is who are the people that I know. Okay, everybody in your phone that you have a relationship with, you should be giving them a call and talking to them and letting them know that you are now in the payment industry or are in the payment industry, and have a conversation with them to see if they have anybody that they can refer to you or somebody that they can lead you to. Okay, think about people of influence, people who own businesses, everybody that you know, everywhere you do business, everywhere, anybody that you buy from, like your anywhere that you eat on a regular basis, anybody who fixes your car, your dry cleaning. You get the picture. Okay, think about, have the mentality of who can I serve. Okay, every day when you wake up, you got to be thinking, who can I serve? Who can I help today? Okay, that's the mentality you got to have. Especially in our business, we have programs where we have technologies that can help them run their business more efficiently, and we have programs where we can eliminate all of their credit card processing fees. Have that mindset. Who can I serve? And then also find a way to get in front of people. Okay, go to events. There's a lot of events in all communities, chambers of commerce, networking groups. Start going to those, and also ask for referrals. Anybody who does business with you, if they're happy with your service because you did everything correctly, they should be referring people to you. And also people that you meet at the marketing events, and also people that you know. Do these things and you're going to see how you're going to be able to prospect better and build a pipeline a lot faster. Gus Torres with Unified Payments.